Alas 12 na. Ayan, Decor, mega love shoutout. Kumusta kayo dyan, guys? Pasok kayo, pasok. Ayan, TV, thank you for coming. Suvinaga, good morning, Suvinaga. How are you, Suvinaga? Thank you for coming, Suvi. Ayan, 8 million sa ating bahay. Thank you for coming, guys. Ayan, Decor Dream, mega love shout out. Thank you for coming, guys. Shout out, everyone.
Do you hear this sound good? Like hearing noise?
Give me that.
There.
Give me. Grabe ang live sana. Jomar Belore Channel, ang aga ng live mo sis, kagising pa lang. Oy Jomar, kagising mo pa lang. Iba man ang atong ano, naandyan man ka sa Amerika, Jomar, di ba? Aga sa imuha, kagising ko lang. Kami ganina, udton na diri. Ayan si Sir DY, hello, mega love shout out. Rose Journey, oy, Sir DY, bago ni si Rose Journey, man ni si Jomar, ikaw ha. Pasaway kayo, Jomar. Ayan guys, na nakapin guys, palablab 11 million sa ating bahay. Ayan, Jomar, mega love shout out. P for our men. Ay, pray for our mom. She is not feeling well. Pray for our mom. She is not feeling well. Ayan, Zubinaga, who is not feeling well? Love. Kaot na. Pigs muna, saging ni. Huwag yung batasan ni si Jomar, oy. Unahon man yung pigaon ng saging sa iyang asawa. walang hiya talaga ni si Jomar, oy. Si Jomar, pislat-pislita o sa Jomar. Yun ang internet, oy. Pislita o sana Jomar din na. Unya na ng almusal. Ingon ni Jomar, tagai kong naipisliton din na. Gahi kay ulo si Jomar ay. RDY Vlogs, piga-piga muna. Ayan, Jen Gotering, mega love shoutout Jen. Jomar, mega love shoutout Jomar. Ayan, may premiere tayo guys, patamsak sa nakapin. May premiere si RDY garon guys. Tamsak lang po guys. Jomar, ha, correct sis. Unahon jud na, RDY Vlog, what's done? Jovinaga, thank you Jovin. Jovinaga, what is that? Who is that telling, who is that? You told me someone is not feeling well. Who is? Who is not feeling well, Jovin? Your family or who? Your president? Ayan guys, we have 7 Leones in the house. Maraming salamat po sa inyo dyan.